kung divorce, meron naman doon. No? So, ang gusto ko lang sabihin is, divorce is just an option. No? Meron pang declaration. Kasi, I seem to get the impression that ayaw niyang mag-go through the procedure. Okay? But let's remember that even when we have the divorce, you will still have to go through the procedure. So kung meron pa rin namang alternative ngayon even without divorce, maganda na mag-file na siya kasi baka ang impression niya, ayaw na lang eh. No? Kung available sa kanya yun, bakit naman hindi yun kunin? Because divorce is just an option for those na hindi papasok sa declaration of nullity, sa annulment, dahil lahat naman yan pupunta sa proseso. No? So kung ang ayaw niya, ang gusto niyang iwasan ay yung proseso na, dadaan pa rin siya sa proseso pag nakukuha ng divorce.
I think we've spoken about that, Prof, and yung ano niya lang is, ang proseso is the same thing as annulment. And there's also a possibility na ma-deny pa.
Kasi, syempre, hindi sa divorce. May possibility na ma-deny, di ba? So let's not entertain the illusion na simply because it's a divorce, kasi may grounds, may proper grounds pa rin. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang, like we said, divorce is an option. Okay? But kung available, at parang I seem to be, I don't know the facts masyado, but I seem to get the impression na kung qualified naman siya sa declaration of nullity, spare niya na yung hurts and makapag-move on siya, go through the process na lang. No? Kasi eventually ganun pa rin ang mangyayari pag kukuha siya ng divorce, mag-go through the process pa rin siya ng proceedings. Hindi natin nakikiwasan yun. So, yun lang yung sinasabi ko. But I don't know kung qualified na siya. No? I'm not in a position to...
Since divorce na po sila sa ibang bansa, so dapat recognition for foreign divorce. But since parehas silang Filipino, so yun po yung kanilang hindi siya makakwalify, perhaps, dahil parehas Filipino.
Pero dun sa lecture, if I'm not mistaken, ni Prof. Duyang,
yes,
na actually in the jurisprudence, medyo naging liberal ng kaunti. Na dati, it's only the foreigner who could file. No? Kasi, and then, sa principles na yun, kailan ba sila nag-obtain ng divorce when they were still both Filipinos? Okay, so siguro yun yung mga things, no? So yun lang, no, clarification. This is just an option, no, as